Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to save audio from Instagram Reels. So let's start. First, let's go to Instagram. Then let's go to Reels section. And here you will find different Reels. Now, let's find something that has audio like this one. If you check, there is a music that says Imagine Dragons. Just you have to click on the music and then they send you to the audio. Now, if you want to save it, just go to the right corner and you will find three options. That is arrow. Then in middle, there is the option to save. Just click there. And you save this audio for future projects. Now there is a new feature that is add on Spotify. If you can check, there is add. So if you want to add to your Spotify playlist, you can do it too. Now, we save the audio. Now let's back. And now let's try to use it. Let's press the button add new post, just add a new video, then let's press next. And if you check here, we have different options too. So now just press music. And if you check, there is an option that says save, just press there. And you will find here the song that we saved before. So as you can see, it's very easy to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.